This underwater beast isn't just fast, it's fearless. It launches itself at flying fish and even snatches seabirds midair. But don't let the predator vibes fool you. It plays a big role in keeping ocean life balanced. From playful juveniles hiding in mangrove roots to powerful adults ruling coral kingdoms, their journey is wild. They grow fast, get darker, stronger, and smarter. Nature's perfect design in motion. And when they're around, everything changes. Prey fish scatter, coral reefs pulse with energy, and the food chain dances in sync. The giant trevally isn't just a fish, it's an ecosystem hero. Love ocean wonders like this? Hit like, follow, and dive deeper with us. What if I told you there's a fish out there that hunts birds out of the sky?